You have all of your chili ingredients, but you add in a 12-ounce can of Dr. Pepper. How do you feel about that, Chef Nino?
Dr. Pepper and
Dr.
chili.
Pepper chili.
Your thoughts on the spot. Thoughts.
I'm very careful to criticize anything new until you try it. It might be the best invention in the whole world. Honestly, and that's the truth.
That's such a good answer.
No, and it is. Yeah. I have said I'm not going to try that, and I tried it. I'm like, wow.
Yeah.
How about that, huh?
I'm excited to try what you're working on today.
Oh my goodness. Thank y'all for watching, and welcome to the Rouse's Cooking Show with Nino Bandito. Hey. Hey.
I like how you introduced yourself. That's cool.
That's right. We got the Nobody else will. I toot my own horn. Thank you, mister.
We've got the finest meats and cheeses in the house. What you got there?
So basically, we deconstructed a muffalata, the sandwich. Okay. We got rid of the bread, and we took each part, each component, and we're going to mix it all together into a pasta salad. Excellent for tailgating, excellent for parades, really nice. It's going to keep well refrigerated for 7 days.
And guess what? There's some parades going on this time of year right now.
Boy, I tell you what, yes
Did you put that all together? That's, man, you're a genius.
Finally, somebody sees it. No, I'm joking. Is that with a J or a G? Genius.
Yep,
no,
both.
I misspelled illiterate.
Whatever you want to do.
I thought illiterate was with an I. No, but anyway, I was shopping at our Rouse's this morning, and here, these are the meats on a muffalata sandwich, okay? We have our Rouse's honey ham.
Ooh.
We have provolone, or I like to say in Italy, provolone. It's a nice melting cheese too for hamburgers. Yeah, you're a grill person, yeah.
Oh yeah.
And then we got some Genoa salami, and all these are cut fresh daily for you, however you like. And then we have the mortadella.
What?
Mortadella.
Mortadella.
That's an Italian bologna invented in Bologna, and the mortar and pesto. How you say that?
I don't know what you're trying to say.
Help me out now. Yeah, they grind the spices up. I'm just joking, man.
So what you're saying is this dish is full of bologna.
Full of bologna. Brother, stay in your lane.
Every time I hang out with you, I try to make like Chef Nino like jokes.
Yeah, the mortar and pestle. Morta is the mortar. So anyway, and so all the spices in there, and you're gonna get that intense flavor. In fact, would you try a piece of that, brother?
Sure.
Try it. Most people never had mortadella before. Excellent flavor. It's bologna with it's a Lamborghini of bologna, if you would.
It tastes like leaner or something.
It's leaner, a little spice in there. Yeah, real nice. So, and of course, while we was having a station identification break, we chopped off all of these items, and here we are right there.
Whoa, nice work.
How about that? So we have our mortadella, we have our ham, we have some fresh onions, our provolone cheese, and some Genoa salami, okay?
Now, I'm asking a legit question. I'm not trying to be funny. So is that, when chefs cook, is that considered mise en place right there?
Yes, it is.
When you cut everything up and get ready to go?
Yep.
Okay.
That was my first wife's maiden name. Yeah, she's from... yeah, so anyway, here we go. We got to go on with the show. There we go. All right. Yeah. All right. Now, what other components?
What do you want to do now?
Okay, so I want to explain the sauce that we're going to make for that too. That's your dry components there, of course.
Okay.
Now you can't have muffalata pasta or a sandwich without olive salad mix. And I love our Rouse's olive salad mix right here. In there we have black olives, green olives, cauliflower, onions, garlic, bell peppers, carrots, etc.
All packed with flavor.
Oh, wow. And it's really nice too. Spoon it over whatever. You make a normal pasta with some meatballs, put this on top, make a ham sandwich. Very versatile.
Good stuff.
Yeah, really nice. And of course we have our olive oil, our olio novello. We have our Rouse's Italian dressing, Italian herb. We have olive oil, mayonnaise. Anytime you can cut half the calories, half the fat, you can. And I like mayonnaise. I used to eat so much mayonnaise I had to go to the Mayo Clinic. Yeah, and then we have the red wine vinegar. So now we're just going to assemble these items here. Do you want to do it now? Wait till the next
Let's wait till the next one. We've got so much to do here in Studio 10. We're so excited about this and more show to come. We'll be back with Chef Nino in just a little bit. Chelsea.
Yes, indeed. Back at the show.
We are back in the kitchen with Chef Nino. As you can tell, I have no fun at all with him, but
yeah,
we're about to
Everybody's
mix
got bad part of their
this
jobs.
muffalata.
Muffalata pasta salad.
Pasta
yes.
salad.
And basically, folks, thank you for tuning in. I'm Chef Nino with Rouse's, and it's Mardi Gras season, and Rouse's is definitely the Mardi Gras headquarters. Look at these king cakes and all your tailgating needs right there at Rouse's, and you can make orders in the deli, etc., or pick it up ready to go. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get busy with our muffalata.
Come on.
We're going to do the liquid here, okay? We got our Rouse's olive salad mix. We're going to put that in there.
Okay, how many does this feed? Will this dish
Which
feed?
county they live in?
It's just me and Joe, so this
okay,
is
yeah.
all of it's
I would say about 10.
Okay.
Yeah. If you're from Louisiana, 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
Woo, that smells good.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have our Rouse's Italian dressing.
Alrighty. Ooh,
okay.
Beautiful.
We have our Rouse's Italian seasoning right here.
So I'm guessing this is an Italian dish?
This is, trust me, it don't get no more Italian than this. Then we have our olive oil mayonnaise.
That is half the fat.
Half the fat, half the calories, yes, and I love it. Because we don't want to send nobody to Mayo Clinic eating too much mayonnaise.
We can't be doing that.
You know what I'm saying? Thank you. And then we have a little red wine vinegar. So pretty much, folks, that's the liquid part of it. This is so easy to make. You can make it in about 15 minutes. There we go. All right. Okay. Now we're going to put in our Parmigiano Reggiano cheese.
Yum.
Parmigiano Reggiano. Look at that.
My favorite from Rouse's.
Yes. And then we're going to put in our meats and cheeses, right?
Okay,
Just keep going. You can do it.
It's a workout.
You can do it, yeah.
Okay.
We have our Genoa salami, our mortadella, our Rouse's honey ham, and our fresh onions, and we have provolone cheese. Are you ready for a challenge?
I think so. Oh, sorry.
Let's do it.
Nice. Easy like Sunday morning.
Yes, indeed. And you're doing great, by the way.
Thank you, Chef Nino.
Yeah.
Always need that encouragement.
And you know, you would think this is really hard to stir. It is not. I'm not even breaking a sweat here, folks. You know,
I would
mean,
argue
look at me. I'm fresh like,
okay.
Hello.
Breaking a sweat.
That's right, yes.
Okay, so we've got our pasta.
Yeah.
Do we dump this in there?
Yes, after it's mixed up really well.
Okay.
So keep doing that for about 20 minutes,
okay.
and we'll do it. No, I'm just joking. Even the camera guy. Okay, so we have our pasta shells right here.
Yes.
And you can get bow tie pasta or whatever, but I like the shells.
Yes, and I ate one by itself earlier. Delicious.
Yes, and we're going to put a little bit of Cajun seasoning in there.
This is Chef Nino seasoning, sold at Rouse's.
That's right, thank you.
So good. Oh gosh, okay.
In a little while, we're gonna finish it off with Rouse's Olio Novello, straight from Italy. All right, so we're gonna put this in here.
I think we're gonna do this when Joe comes back.
Oh, we can do it when Joe comes back. And
I'm gonna let him do the hard stuff.
They need to sit there and kind of get to know each other, kind of cohabitate.
There we go.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Okay. So when we come back with Joe, we're mixing all this good stuff, and he's gonna try some.
Yeah, and we have some king cakes we're gonna sample too from Rouse's. Yeah.
All righty. Well, this is all coming up next on Studio 10.
Thank you for watching. See you.
Clock is ticking. 2 minutes. Chef Nino, you are up. What do we need to know?
We're making our New Orleans pasta salad right here. We have our mortadella, our Rouse's ham, salami, provolone cheese, olive salad mix, olive oil, onions, and we're going to mix that with the pasta.
Ooh, yeah.
And with this mixture, if you don't want to mix it with the pasta, you can go ahead and put it on some lettuce right here.
Take a look at that.
Yeah. So a little bit of low carb there.
Low carb options.
Yeah.
High carb options.
High carb. And also, we're going to be sampling some king cakes here. It's Mardi Gras season, and Rouse's is definitely Mardi Gras headquarters for all the king cakes, etc.
Ooh, yeah.
Also tailgating items for the parades and everything.
Rouse's has some phenomenal king cakes and tons of different flavor selections as well.
All kinds. There's something for everybody there. I guarantee you're not going to find a better king cake. You're really not.
So what is Bavarian? Do you know what Bavarian king cake? I've seen that. I don't know if I know what that is.
I'm not exactly sure.
Well, that makes two of us.
It has something to do with like German. Bavaria.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm wondering what's inside there.
Well, actually, no, but I don't want to, show you up on the...
That's okay. Ooh, I want to try this.
Try this. Muffalata pasta salad. You're going to love it. Yes.
You're going to want to muffalata of that.
Muffalata. Oh, my goodness. I think it's contagious.
It is contagious.
and I cut open one of the Rouse's king cakes here, and we have praline pecan. And
wow.
Just take a look at that. It's very moist, made fresh every day. Every one of our Rouse's makes the king cakes, and you're going to actually love it. And go see the wonderful selection they have. Get ready for your parade. Come visit one of your local Rouse's, 7 locations in Alabama.
15 seconds left.
15.
Anything else?
All right. I will see you at one of the Rouse's. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
We'll be right back.